In this example, I want to show another practical use case for MultiBrief. This one is focused on meeting agendas and running minutes. A lot of businesses already have a Word document that gets carried forward from meeting to meeting. The problem is someone still has to go back through the meeting notes or transcripts, work out what changed, update the right sections, add new agenda items, and flag anything that needs review. That can be repetitive and time-consuming, and it is easy to miss things. For this demo, I am giving MultiBrief the information it needs to update the minutes. First, the latest meeting transcript. Then, the existing agenda and running minutes document. Once I submit it, the workflow reads the previous minutes, reads the latest transcript, and works out which sections need updating, which actions need to be added, and whether any new agenda items have come up. It can update existing sections, leave sections unchanged when there is no update, create new agenda sections when something new comes up, and flag anything that may need human review. In this example, the workflow has created a review version of the updated minutes. That means someone can check the proposed changes first before anything is copied back into the official agenda or minutes document. You can see the existing minutes are still there, but the new updates are highlighted separately. New sections are clearly marked, and anything uncertain is pushed into a review area at the bottom. The important part is that this solution is saving time from doing the repetitive groundwork. Instead of going back through recordings, transcripts, and handwritten notes, the workflow prepares a draft update for review. The person responsible can then check it, review the highlighted updates, make any final changes, and update the official minutes with confidence. That is the kind of repetitive admin work MultiBrief is designed to help reduce.